Hi everyone, my name is Sas. I'm actually in the software industry for a long time. Last few years, I'm focusing a lot on AI. I'm founder of few of the mobile app with AI softwares. But yeah, I do a lot of development on AI related application services. And recently, I came across the OpenClaw, which is very popular. You can find thousands of videos, people out there using OpenClaw. So I try to install it. I just want to share my feedback and some cool stuff I did recently. The one thing I install OpenClaw is on a Linux VM. I did not install it on my personal laptop or MacBook Pro or Mini Mac. I don't want to buy new stuff just to try something unless I see how it works, what are the limitations, the security issues. There are a lot of security issues, so those who are trying to install it and thinking, no, it will do everything for you and everything is safe. No, you have to be really careful. But yeah, let's go to the good part of it. So I install on a Linux VM running in a cloud environment. But what I did, I installed also cloud code on the same VM database and did a lot of cloud coding stuff to automate this dashboard and build the dashboard. Um, the VM is running on Linux platform. You can see you can OpenClaw is running here. Then actually I'm tunneling it to my local network. So the VM is running really securely. I did not expose it to internet. So no inbound except my personal IP address to VPN connection. Um, Outbound, obviously, you have to go to the different network in outbound, but inbound, no one can reach to my VM, which keep it really safe. It came from my background because I spent years and years in cloud computing, and also before jumping into the new tools, especially AI tools, people nowadays, so jumping and installing everything, I take little small steps to make sure that I'm not exposing my data or critical information to some public IP address hosting it somewhere. Even if the LLM model I'm using behind it, I'm using a hosted model in one of the cloud provider, not like directly connecting to OpenAI, though I'm using multi-model. So the configuration file which I've installed has multi-model based on the task. So sort of like a combination of say GPT, Claude, Gemini, and all those models based on the task. I can use it. You can use Open Router. A lot of people are using. It's the same way. But I hosted the model in the cloud because I prefer to be something keep inside. And in future, if I require, I want to train the model and use it for a special requirement. Yeah. So the OpenClaw is running here. You can see I'm connecting to here. Say hi, and responding to hi, checking the status and everything. It's responding to hi message and giving me some sort of response here, talking about my dashboard and everything. You can see 127 because you're thinking like that, oh, I'm running it locally. I'm not running it locally. I just like, tunneling it to sort of like a port number using the SSH minus L N minus L command. Those are coming from Linux world. They know it very well. You can tunnel to a specific port to your local desktop. You have to run the command, then authenticate with the virtual machine, and then you can access it. So tunneling it. Um, Apart from that, what I'm doing here, what so most of the things here I have installed, you can see. This is the Jarvis autopilot, where Jarvis is actually my OpenClaw agent here. Jarvis, you can see I give the name to the OpenClaw AI agent. I made this dashboard like in few hours. Obviously, Claude Code, but there are a lot of troubleshooting, small issues, because everything is running on the Linux environment where I have installed OpenClaw. I'm running on a local database. I try to use Supabase, but there are some issues connecting to the database, so I didn't want to spend too much time on troubleshooting. But this is sort of like a POC MVP type of environment, not production. So I don't want to spend too much time. So what you can see, the Jarvis autopilot is the mission control board. Is running on the same VM. I have the status here, our table, Postgres. You can see it's running on Postgres database. Healthy, everything looks healthy. I have 14 agents. Do you see the agents? I have like Aurora, Flux, Jarvis, and you can see they have their own title. Chief AI Officer, Chief Data Officer, Mission Controls, AI CEO, Chief Content Officer, Chief Innovation Officer. Then I have a few other Einstein, Galvin, Mary, Nova. You can build n number of agents, but you have to also take care of like the resource, how much resource you are consuming, because you can deploy multiple agents and they are running. You don't know how much token they will consume, and you will get like $5,000 bill end of the month, which is not good. But yeah, agents are running here. The metrics, you can see the graphics looks awesome. Performance metric, the agents usage, which model, how much output token, input token, all those things I'm getting. OpenClaw usage. The cool part is the communication. I never thought like I will one day talk to AI agents and part of my team. So assume that if my company and I am the founder and then I have these people are working for me, and I can actually ask them. I share my common goal, my requirement, my business strategy, how much I want to get ARO profit, everything I share with the memory. Now I can actually talk to, say, example, Aurora, right? So my chief AI officer, I can talk to actually say hi, and then I want to get some information like you can see good afternoon here. I can say, hey, I need information about AI, AI agent based automation. Anything. Actually, my chief AI officer. So I'm expecting to get some answer. Great question. AI agent based automation is really at the heart of what we're building here. The Cognire. So this is representing the company and everything what we do, the value, benefits, implementation cost. Same thing. I can actually talk to two agents, include the Einstein to it. Your inputs. So I'm asking now to Einstein to give some feedback, sending message. So you can. So Einstein also is responding. There is a small UI. You can see Einstein is responding. Hey, happy to work on this AI agent based information. You can actually literally like you are doing in a corporate environment. You're inviting multiple team, multiple role, discuss about some product, ROI, marketing strategy, anything you can do. You can invite multiple agents and then schedule like discussion. You can actually connect to Slack. I'll do it. I was trying to do it, but could not finish it. So you can really talk to or chat with them in the Slack, like real employee. You can create channel and everyone can join. You can give them a common task and they will talk about it, what to do, what not to do. Like real corporate environment, but here they have the knowledge of very specific. You can train what they want to be specialized and you can talk to them. So this is the cool part of it. You can talk to your AI agents, which are running in OpenClaw on a VM or a MacBook or whatever environment, and you can build them, talk to them, assign role, and talk to them like a real employee. And here you can see another cool part is the message stream. So the AI the agents actually are talking to each other. So, for example, Nova is talking to Sushan, Proposal, to Satya, task, team to Jarvis, report. Jarvis is the CEO. So team is giving report to Jarvis saying, hey, product roadmap, saved, in progress, prioritize, backlog. Reed is talking to Mary about support capability, data-driven analysis. So they are actually really communicating with each other like the employees or different team member. Here they are talking to each other, discussing about, but you have to make sure that the definition of the goal, what you want to achieve, the memory you want to share, you should be part of the same workspace, memory, MD file, and then they will share the common goal. So this is the agent to agent communication, which is really cool to see agent to agent, and you can actually broadcast. So this one I included because I wanted to say, hey, I want to execute some command, but one agent or multiple agent, right? They're all live now. Provide update about agentfleet.app, which is another product I was working, completed. So I can target to one agent, multiple agent, or all agents, select all. So they get command and they'll work together, and then they will, so you can see the results. This is cool. I can have more agents, but yeah, that's more than enough for me. Satya team, Bold, Chief Innovation Officer. Yeah, cool name you can give. Yeah, workflow. These are few workflows you can run. Agent workflow, cancelled, completed, triggered by manually. What workflow has been executed, how much time, the data output, analyze of revenue data. So those type of workflow you can include. I got few errors here. I have to troubleshoot and fix it, but these are all like the revenue optimization, workflow, completed by whom, output. More onto the agentic workflow site runs messages. Here you can see the messages between the agents, but innovation, spotlight marketing, reports, response. You can tag it so you can see which are notifications, which are requests, which are handoff, Nova to team handoff, propose new agent view UI pattern, multi-agent orchestration. We can see the agent to agent talking, alerts. If you get any alert, who got anything, this button is not working, I have to fix it. Report. This is another cool part. You can literally see your agent's performance, like in your corporate world. Executive summary, the agents, how much success rate, executive summary, financial data, how much token they consume, which model they are using, task execution, reliability, which agent is failing a lot, or we can analyze the data to improve the agents or train them to do better. Yeah, you can see success rate 91%, chief AI officer. Yeah, this is the report I added because I thought, okay, this will be something cool to add a report to see how the agents are performing, and those who are not performing, what's the problem? Do you need to change the model? Do I need to like update the memory or share some common goals? These are setting to like more like, reset password. I can actually integrate here, adding more integration like connect to LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter. I can add it, and I can ask like say one agent to the chief, for example, chief content officer, right? I can ask, hey, every day you generate access my LinkedIn read only access API, and find out what's going on and propose me how to do good or content delivery or how to write a content there. So those type of things I can do. So this is actually a cool setup what I did, and also I asked Jarvis to have weekly meeting with the agents. So Jarvis will lead the meeting, and then after having the meeting with everyone with common goals, he will prepare MOM, and MOM he will share with me. How he will share? So I integrated my OpenClaw with Notion. If you're not familiar, Notion is a cool project management, task management, multi-purpose tool. You can get a free subscription, but what I did, I integrated the Notion with so you can see Jarvis is sending me reports about practices, pulse, positioning, ideas, much more things, writing blogs. So every day wake up in the morning, I can just go and see, okay, what is the blog about? So these are all written by Jarvis. I can have now content management special. I can give what I want to write, connect to Notion, and it's there on my phone or my laptop, whatever. I can access it and publish it. Pretty cool, right? You have like a bunch of employees now working for you. Yeah, just be careful the token. So don't get too excited, spin up like hundreds of agents and, put a credit card number there and get like $10,000 bill. Yeah, no, that I don't want. But yeah, this interface, I think I have seen people are doing a lot, but this is pretty good. I'm really satisfied. The information I'm getting, I'm able to talk to the agents in real time. I have not seen, a lot of people are doing it, but I think I missed it. I have not seen, but I'm really happy the way I can communicate and ask questions and get answers. Yeah, let me know how do you feel. If you need any help, I try to send my information. I'm a founder of mobile mental wellness app called Uplife, UPLYF. I think 1 year ago we launched it. It has AI-based voice and AI-based avatar, where the AI can see the person and analyze by facial expression and talk to like a real human being. Yeah, we did that one. We have a couple of more AI products, mostly focused on AI. And I have a patent pending on one of the AI technology. I usually like don't do too many videos, but yeah, I thought, yeah, this is something people will love it because OpenClaw is going crazy now. So people are trying a lot of things. So maybe this type of dashboard will help them to design and have their own employee working for them 24/7. Thank you for watching the video. Thanks for your time. Yeah, let me know if you like it or not. Please give your comment. Thank you.